Hi guys, as some of you may be aware, there's a lot of different versions of me all over YouTube at the moment.
There's Dan the Gardener from the Chateau Diaries.
There's of course me, Dan the Renovator at Escape to Rural France.
And there's now me, Chef Dan, who some of you may have seen already.
So those of you that have been watching the cooking vlog so far, they're actually going to be, Chef Dan is going to be on his own channel. It's called The French Kitchen.
So from now on, all the cooking videos that we do will be posted solely on this channel, The French Kitchen. So if you're passionate about cooking and food, go over to that channel and check it out.
So thanks everyone that watches us across all the platforms and channels, and we'll see you soon. Bye.
Bye.